We are looking at how to pronounce these two words, the verb and the noun. We'll be looking at how to say more English pronunciations and learning more English as well. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. Accumulate. Accumulate. That's the top word here, and that's your verb. Accumulate. Okay, so here you have a stress on the second syllable. Accumulate. Now the bottom word is the related noun, and it's pronounced as accumulation. Okay, so you have the same start, accumu, then lay and shun. Okay, the stress here is on the fourth lay syllable, accumulation. Okay, so the verb is accumulate with a stress on the second syllable, accumulate. The bottom word is accumulation. Those pronunciations are valid and correct for both British English and American English. It's easy once you know. Accumulate, accumulation. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate the support. It helps me a lot. More videos for you here to learn more free, correct English pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.